What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. I'm the BasedKing, and today I just gave the Dark Knight a wash. Y'all see the cold start. I'll put an image in of it all soaped up right here, so y'all could see I got it nice and soaped up, clean. It looks great. The steering wheel is bugging me. When I turn the steering wheel, it squeaks like inside the car. The steering wheel inside, nothing outside. So I think it has to do either with a power steering or the steering column or something like that. So unfortunately, this weekend I was hyped to go for a POV drive in the Tri-City and do some more content for y'all. Like I said last week I was gonna do, or a few days ago when the video came out. But I'm failing y'all, and I'm sorry. I'm not doing it because of any, like I was saying, I was going through mental issues or struggling. It's not because of that. It's because of the steering wheel, and it's making a shit ton of, like, it's not loud. When I turn it, it goes, or the other way, and it's like, oh, fuck. So either it has to do with the hydraulic power steering system, the steering column, or something else, and I'm trying to investigate it. I will figure it out, and I will keep you guys updated. Just as soon as I finish that video, that last one, boom, that's when the noise happened. It really sucked. I was like, oh, fuck. Now I got this issue that I got to take care of. But don't worry, the Dark Knight will be back on the road. I just got to figure out this little hiccup and get through it. Also, I want to start by saying thank you all to all the supporters out there. And those of you that hate on my videos, fuck y'all. I don't care. I ain't quitting. The whole comment section could be full of hate, and I'm still not giving up. I won't get discouraged because that shit don't bother me at all. I think it's funny, and I'm sitting in my room laughing about it. I'm sitting in the Dark Knight laughing about it, enjoying my life. So I just want to give a quick shout out to all you supporters and all you haters out there. Thank you for the views. You ain't stopping nothing. We still moving. To those of you that are supporting, please like the video. Let's hit 20 likes on this video. I know it's not a lot of POV content, and it's going to be mainly talking, so I'm really sorry about that. But the Dark Knight is down for now. I'll get some more content eventually on the car, talking about it, maybe showing you guys the garage or whatever. I probably will go for a drive around the neighborhood when I have time, maybe tomorrow night, and I'll record that. But for tonight, it's kind of late. I work early in the morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and just call it a night. Pick up the camera tomorrow, go for a little drive just to show y'all the noise, then we'll move from there. I'll see y'all tomorrow night. All right, y'all, welcome back. It's the next day now. Like I said, I'm gonna go for a POV drive just to show y'all what the steering wheel sounds like. Y'all hear it's gonna make like a ugly ass noise. So please comment down below if you know where this noise is coming from, if you've had this issue before. It'll really help me out. And then I'm just gonna cut up around the neighborhood and then wherever else I go. I'm gonna end the video and then get some vertical shots instead, just so I can start posting on my Insta and shorts. Please enjoy the drive and get ready to listen to noise. Let me know what you guys think this noise is. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, it hasn't made a noise yet. My car isn't that loud right now because it's not fully warmed up. It's only at 180. But sunset's going down, so I don't want to lose this time. Y'all hear that? I'm gonna do it again. Hear that noise? It sounds like it's coming from up here. I'm not sure what that is. But that's the exact noise. I tried getting a shot for y'all, a close-up shot. It's like, I don't know if it's something up here behind the steering wheel I gotta fix. Power steering, something down there below. Ooh, those pops sounded good. I don't know if y'all heard them. But let me know down in the comments what you think it is. I'm gonna try to get some more driving. It's so annoying. I love walking around this neighborhood too, y'all. It's nice houses, nice scenery. Beautiful day as always. Hopefully you liked the video. Let's get 20 likes on this video. This is more like me trying to diagnose my problem in my car. POV. I'm not sure what I'm gonna title it. Okay, get ready, y'all. Let's hear it. You can barely hear it. I'm gonna show y'all my cousin's dope ass car right now. I'm gonna come back around. The sprinklers are all blowing this way. I got this ceramic coating for my car. It's by Cerakote. I heard it's pretty decent, so I need to spray that on and ceramic coat this car. I'm just tearing up the suburbs right now, y'all. Y'all hear that? It sounds like leather rubbing on leather. It's never done that. My car just recently started doing that. That Dodge Neon SRT 4, y'all. It's gorgeous. It was gorgeous. I don't know if you saw it. It's hard to tell with the camera on my head. It's a beautiful all black Dodge Neon SRT 4. That'd be so sick if I had it in my driveway. I just need that and a Dodge Ram or Dakota. I'm so annoyed about it. I'm so annoyed about this steering wheel because my car's been nothing but amazing, and then things like this happen. I need gas too. I think I'm gonna hold off to get gas the next time I drive it though. Listen. I know y'all heard that one. That and it's like coming from behind here, like somewhere in here. And I don't know what it is. I really am bothered by it. So please comment down below if y'all know where that noise is coming from. Please, it'd really help me out. I had to pull for y'all. Also, y'all, in this video, I think I'm gonna end it off with that Pokemon Destined Rivals pack opening because I want this to be a decently long video since I'm pretty much finishing up here. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the pack opening. Let me know what that sound was down below. Like the video. Fuck the haters. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna keep going no matter what. Road to 1,000. We're on our way. Hate all you want, but I ain't giving up, you know. I'm gonna keep going up. I'm gonna keep doing my thing. And I love y'all that support me. Each and every one of you. I read all your comments. I reply to all your comments. Let's hit 20 likes on this video. Let's hit 20 likes. Come on. We got a POV drives and a Pokemon Destined Rivals pack opening. I know I'm kind of late on it. I got it on release day, but I haven't put that in the video. I should have. I love y'all. Enjoy the pack opening, and I'll catch you guys later. All right, y'all. What's up? This is my first Pokemon TCG pack. Let's bust this open. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs. We're gonna open them up one by one. We got 2 promos right here. I want to get them both graded. I'm not really good at knowing cards too much and their cost, but I'll go through it after. So, because I'm new to this, y'all. Okay, I think it's the next one. Now, one more card. Let's see what we got here. Okay, we just got Yan Mega. That'd be really cool. I also want like a trainer card. That'd be cool. I didn't show you which one I wanted. Okay. Coming on to the last one. One more. Okay, y'all, let's see what it is. Okay, Tyranitar. That's a cool card. I like the art. Might be a weak card, but I like the art. Okay. Team Rocket Ball. Oh, I like this one. Oh, I like this card a lot. I'm a sucker for cool looking cards, y'all. At least in my opinion, what I think is cool. Everyone has their own, but this is cool. I like this one. I'm going to put this one in a sleeve as well. Okay. Sacred Ash Trainer card. Cool. So I'm going to put this one inside a sleeve too. All right, y'all. Here we go. Let's do it quick. Oh, shit, yo. I hit. I got the Mewtwo. I didn't hit. Y'all, I got a cool-ass Mewtwo, though. But maybe we can get this one still. My bad. Sorry for the overhype. I'm just being dumb. We got that one. But pretty cool that I got this Mewtwo. A friend of mine has this one. Ready, y'all? Okay. Nothing crazy. I'm not counting how many there are. Okay, Psyduck. We got a Psyduck. I know people wanted this one really bad. Oh, wait. It's a double. Okay. Ready to see what we got next. A lot of people wanted Misty Psyduck. So this is a cool card that I'm going to put in a sleeve as well. Ready for the next one, y'all? Okay, we just got Sneasel. Team Rocket Sneasel. Okay, y'all. For the big one. Okay, we got Regirock. This one looks cool, too. I like how this one looks. Okay, please. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay. Nothing crazy. 2 more packs. We got Nidoran. We need Nidoking. Couple more. Cool Pichu card. I like that. All right, y'all. You probably saw the bottom. I didn't. All right, Gorbis. So, last pack, y'all. Final pack luck. Let's do this, please. Okay. Last one, y'all. 0. All right. So, that was it, y'all. So far, these have been my favorite ones out of the pack. Regirock, Psyduck, Mewtwo, EX. We got Houndoom, which I liked a lot. That was personal favorite. Tyranitar, Yanmega, Zapdos, and Wobbuffet. I hope you all enjoy this pack opening. I'm going to go look at how much everything's worth. All these cards. Start learning about Pokemon. And yeah, and get on with it. Alright, I'll catch y'all later in another video. Alright, everybody. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I went for the drive. Showed you all the pack opening, and pretty much this was just a really short video. Help me down below in the comments. Let me know what you think that sound was in the steering wheel. I haven't deep dived in it. I've been working a lot. It's hard to get to everything in my life when I'm at work so much of my time. Comment down below what y'all think. I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna look under the steering wheel and I'm gonna deep dive and try to figure it out. I really hope it's nothing crazy and something I could figure out like that, and we can get back on the road to driving more. I don't think it's that bad. I don't want to be driving it and making it worse. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Let's get 20 likes on this short video. I really hope those of you like it. Hope y'all like the pack opening. It was nothing crazy. Sorry for my overhype on that Mewtwo card. I thought it was the Chase, the big one. I was wrong. I'm kind of new, still getting into it, still learning. So don't judge me. And even if you do, oh well, I'm gonna keep learning and keep getting better. Let me know what videos y'all wanna see. Let me know what I could do for y'all to provide some value, what you guys want to hear me talk about. I can answer questions. I can honestly do anything, y'all. I could do a car wash video on it. I could do a video on this product, the Cerakote Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant. I heard this stuff works really good and it's a good ceramic coat. It's nothing crazy, but it gets the job done. So let me know if y'all want to see a video on just this or whatnot, and I can do a whole video just ceramic coating and showing you all the difference between what it was before and after. I think that'd be cool. It's just me in the Dark Knight. Y'all already know. She's parked up in the garage, as always, sitting, being a princess as usual. I hope y'all liked the video. Let's get 20 likes. Comment down below. Let me know. And I got more on the way for y'all. Let me know if I should still take this car to Portland in about a week. I have already a scheduled date when I'm going to be going to take my dad for his eye surgery. So let me know down below in the comments if I should take it, even with the wheel squeaking, or help me figure it out and let's fix it before I go, and we could take the charger and do a whole video on that, and that should be dope. I'll get a lot of content. I can make at least 2 videos with that, with going to Portland. Go follow my Instagram down below at base.or, bvsed.or. That's where I'll be posting more vertical POVs and just more photos of my car and a clothing brand I'm trying to start. All right, y'all. I love you all. Road to 1,000. Let's go up. I will see y'all later. Peace.